In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Twitter feed to your Squarespace site. This is a fantastic way to keep your site fresh with your latest tweets, and it's simpler than you might think. We'll breeze through the process in about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Squarespace makes it easy by allowing you to log in with your Google account. Simply click on Continue with Google and select the Google account you want to use. It's a sleek process that streamlines access to your Squarespace dashboard. Now once you're logged in, it's time to head straight to your website. You can find your website under the Websites section of your Squarespace account. Click on it to enter the site editor. This is where the magic starts. With your site open, look for the Edit button. It's your gateway to adding new elements to your site. Click on it and you're ready to make some additions. Squarespace's intuitive editor is all about drag and drop, so adding elements is a breeze. Your next move is to add a block to your site. Blocks are how Squarespace lets you add different content types like text, images, and yes, Twitter feeds. Look for the Add Block button and click on it. From the list of available blocks, you're going to select Embed. This block allows you to insert external content like tweets directly into your Squarespace site. With the Embed block selected, an edit icon will appear. Click on this icon because this is where you will paste the necessary code to display your Twitter feed. But wait, what code? If you're not familiar, Twitter provides embeddable code snippets that you can use to display your feed on external sites. You'll need to grab this code from your Twitter account before moving forward. So, once you have your Twitter embed code, return to Squarespace and click on the code snippet area within the embed block. This is where you're going to paste the Twitter code. Just paste the code right in and you'll see the embed option update with a preview of your Twitter feed. It's almost like magic. Alright, we're in the final stretch. Once your Twitter feed is beautifully embedded and previewed in the embed block, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button and give it a click. By saving, you're committing the changes to your site, effectively adding your live Twitter feed for all your visitors to see, and that's it. You've just added a Twitter feed to your Squarespace site and it didn't even take long. This addition can significantly enhance engagement on your site, keeping it fresh with your latest social media activity. Visitors can now stay up to date with your tweets without ever leaving your site. Remember, the key to a great website is not just about keeping it visually appealing, but also ensuring it's engaging and interactive. Adding your Twitter feed is just one way to do so. Explore Squarespace's plethora of features to see what else you can do to elevate your site. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Squarespace has a comprehensive help center and customer support to guide you through. Keep experimenting and have fun building a more connected and engaging online presence.